You seen that's amazing to it. You seen Dude Perfect do it. And now I'm gonna teach you how to do a water ball flip. Oh! Step 1, you need to find your water ball somewhere in your home or somewhere else, and make sure it has a flat bottom and it's not that crumbled up. Step 2, you need to fill your water ball 1/3 of the way to the top, and this is a test how you can make sure if you haven't filled it enough. So you tilt your water ball a little bit, and if it comes back, that means your water ball is good for flipping. If it goes down, that means you need to fill the water ball less. Step 3 is all about the grip. How I grip on the water ball is I use my thumb, pointer finger, and middle finger to flip it. The other fingers aren't used in it, so I kind of put them each one on the cap. And I use only my wrist to flip it, not my whole arm to flip it. And I kind of move my hand while doing it, but I let go right there at that point. Step 4, keep on practicing flipping your water balls, and then you'll get the hang of it. Bonus tip, make sure you're flipping your water ball on a hard surface. It's really hard to flip on other stuff. Once you get better at bottle flipping, you can start moving on to do trick shots with your water ball. Oh! Boom! Ah! Oh! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to do a water ball flip. And now get out there and go do some water ball flips.